So hello everyone, welcome to our AsiaFIN full year 2025 financial results webinar. Hosting the call with us here today are our founder and group CEO, Casey Wong, and our CFO, Chanti Karaku. At the end of this session, there will be a question and answer session. Please note that this call is being recorded, so there will be a recording available on our website at asiafin.com, asiafingroup.com, sorry. Without further ado, I would like to turn this call over to our founder and group CEO, Mr. Casey Wong.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to our annual. This is our annual earning call webinar. We have been doing this earning call webinar for the few quarters, but this is for the full year. Okay, so let me just go through my little speech. Okay, 2025 is a pivotal year for AsiaFIN as we entered into the Middle East market. Besides being in the 8 other markets that we have been in for the last few years. Okay, the group has been in business for the last 25 years, and we have, of course, starting from Malaysia, we have grown into all the other countries like Singapore, Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and now in Saudi Arabia. Okay, on the Middle East side, I know there's a war going on, but our projects are already the first phase of our project is already completed in Saudi Arabia, and this is a strong reference for us, and we expect to grow the business further as we embark on selling to the banks in Saudi Arabia. We are also trying to sell into other countries within the Middle East. Okay. On the other front is our e-invoice business. We have already served more than 100 large customers where we handle their e-invoice from Malaysia. This also includes financial institution and some large corporation. So we are poised to grow further this year with the RegTech market because of this new requirement from Bank Negara for revised what you call reporting. Okay. On the RPA, robotic process automation, we have also turned around. Okay, we have been investing in this business for the last 8 years in the artificial intelligence business. Our RPA now has embraced the latest AI platform, so we do not rely solely on our own neural network, but we embrace the latest platform, AI platform. So this new approach has gained traction in the Malaysian market, as well as we have entered into the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, and Pakistan market for this RPA. Okay, and of course, Saudi Arabia, we have also have taken in the new customer there. Okay, okay, so that's mainly in the business. So in terms of the revenue for 2025, you can see in our press release that we have increased over 50% year on year in terms of our revenue. Okay, this is contributed by our entire sales and collection. Okay, the effort from sales because in the world of US GAAP reporting, sales is not good enough. Invoicing is not good enough. It needs to have collection. Okay, so this double-digit organic growth for 2025 shows that we are set for future growth in our existing market. Okay, into the new markets. Okay, in terms of the fintech business, we have grown 52%. From 2024 in terms of revenue, which shows that even though we are very much focused on check clearing business and payment gateway business, there is still good business in this area. Okay, on the RegTech side, we continue to grow well, which is our main contributing revenue generating unit, RegTech business. And we also improve our gross margin by 13.46%. Okay, so that's the business. On the the corporate governance, 2025, we actually started two other, besides the audit committee, we have also started the two other independent committee, which is the compensation committee and the nominating and corporate governance committee. So we are poised to be ready for the next level of, in terms of corporate governance. Okay. So in conclusion, we have, as we enter into 2026, we are seeing, in terms of organic growth, we are seeing growth in both the fintech and regtech business, and gaining new customers in our PA business. Okay. Not forgetting our ESG reporting business under TELUS Report, and we are beginning to see some traction too. Okay, so now I pass over the call to Shanti, our CFO. She will take you through the numbers. Thank you.
Thank you, Casey. I will now bring you all through the financials. Net cash flow from operations was approximately 504,000 for the year ended 31st December 2025, compared to approximately 24,000 for the year ended December 31st, 2024. Cash and cash equivalents were approximately 1.748 million as of 31st December 2025, compared to approximately 1.31 million as of December 31st, 2024. Revenue for the year ended December 31st, 2025 and 2024 was approximately 5.126 million and 3.382 million respectively. This represents a growth of 51.5% in year 2025 compared to year 2024. Gross profit for the year ended December 31st, 2025 was approximately 1.904 million, representing 37.14% of revenue, and for the year ended December 31st, 2024 was 1.424 million, representing 42.09% of revenue. Selling, general and administrative expenses for the year ended December 31st, 2025 and 2024 were approximately 1.874 million and 1.464 million respectively. Net loss was approximately 120,000 for the year ended 31st December 2025 as compared to net loss of approximately 162,000 for the year ended December 31st, 2024. Total comprehensive income for the year ended December 31st, 2025 was approximately 128,000 compared to the comprehensive loss of approximately 95,000 for the year ended December 31st, 2024. I will now turn the call over to Clarissa.
Thank you, Shanti. We will now begin with our Q&A session. So if anyone has any questions, you may drop your question in the Q&A box and then we will answer it accordingly. Anybody has any questions?
Any questions? The company will release a full 2025 result announcement in the next 2 days. Is that, Casey, what we do?
The announcement on the 8K to the SEC will be done by tomorrow. Announcements already, the 10K is already out. So those are interested can view our 10K report from the SEC website. Okay, and also will be on our website. Okay, I think it's already on our website. Am I correct, Clarissa?
Yes, already on the website.
Yeah.
So
Maybe you type the website link into the chat or something like that. Yeah, go ahead, Sean.
is that fair to say this is the first year 2025 the company turned profitable?
Yes. In terms of comprehensive income.
Mm.
Yeah, in terms of comprehensive income, last year even with the comprehensive income, we were still at loss. But the first year, I think 2023, we had a slight profit. Maybe a few thousand. So not really the first year. So this is like the first year that we have a good profit in that sense. Okay. Even though the expenses from AsiaFIN is quite high. All right, that's the link. Okay, for those who are interested.
Yeah.
Okay. So any more question? If not, we will wrap up the meeting.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Clarissa, and thank you for all those that attended. I see some friends in the the meeting link. I mean the attendees. I hope that you will benefit from this. And I am increasingly confident about our future and look forward to reporting full year results within the next. We will reporting our first quarter actually, 2026 in the next 2 or 3 months. Okay. So thank you for your time and attendance.